In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation form to a Wix website. To get started, log into your Wix account and choose the website where you want to accept donations. Once you've selected the correct site, open its dashboard. This is where you'll manage the tools and settings connected to your website, including donation features. From the dashboard, go to Apps or the App Market, depending on the version of the Wix interface you see. In the search bar, type Wix Donations, then select the Wix Donations app from the results. After that, click Add to Site and give it a moment to install. This app is what allows you to create and display a donation form directly on your website, so this is the key setup step. Once the app has been added, open the Wix Donations app and click Set Up Donations. At this stage, you'll create your donation campaign, enter a campaign name that clearly tells visitors what the fundraiser is for, then add a description, so people understand the purpose behind the donations. You can also set a donation goal if you want to show a target amount. That part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to encourage supporters by showing progress. Next, choose whether you want donations to be one-time only or recurring, if that option is available for your setup. One-time donations are simple and common, while recurring donations can be useful for ongoing causes or long-term support. After your campaign details are ready, the next step is connecting a payment provider. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments. From there, connect a provider such as PayPal, Stripe, or another supported payment gateway available in your region. Follow the verification steps carefully, since this is what allows the donations to be processed securely. Once everything is connected, save your settings before moving on. Now it's time to check everything before going live. Preview the donation form to make sure it looks right and matches your website. Then test the donation process so you can confirm the experience works smoothly from the visitor's point of view. This helps you catch any issues before real donors see the page. When everything looks good and the form is working properly, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a donation form to your Wix site, making it easy for visitors to support your cause directly online.